everybody, welcome back to Elise's Best. Today we're going to be making slime. So this is going to be a slime with no borax or any shaving cream. And I kind of already made slime in here just to test out how it's going to work. And yes, I swear it is going to work, so don't worry. You can rely on me. So this is how it's going to be. Pretty cool. Like when you feel it, it feels really good. It's really good. Yeah. So what you will be needing to make this amazing slime is some baking soda, plate or bowl, mixing tool, a napkin, a big napkin actually, to keep your workspace clean. Oh, come on, slime, don't fall. And Elmer's glue and eyeliner solution. So what I'm first going to be doing is adding this Elmer's glue. Baby, come on. Needs to go down. Let's go down. Okay, so while this is pouring down, I am going to be adding I'm going to be adding baking soda. So let's just wait until this all goes down. Here. It's almost there. Oh, come on. Yeah, I think we're good now. So, I actually undid the whole thing. Oh, dang it. But since I already used some for this slime, I didn't make a lot of slime. So now I'm going to take a spoon of baking soda. Not a whole spoon, but this, this much baking soda for now, because I have this much glue. Not really a lot, if you say. So, now I'm gonna add the eyeliner solution. This slime is so slimy. I mean, it's like so slimy. Oh, and BT dubs, after this, you can add some paint to make it colorful. I'm probably gonna do pink because I love pink. So, I'm gonna take a spoon of eyeliner solution. Whew. I added a little bit, so I'll show you how much I added. Right here. Well, you can't really see it, but I'll tell you it's half of this dirty spoon. So now we're gonna mix until it starts forming into slime. Oh gosh, this is so sticky. It's not going to be after we add some more eyeliner solution to it. And if you see that it's way too sticky, you can add more eyeliner solution because that is basically the activator. So, oh, look. Okay, it's kind of sticky, but that's the point where you gotta play with it first. And next, and last. Oh, no. My slime. God, why is this always so bad? Like, it always falls somewhere. So here, we made slime. Now, I don't think I'm going to add any color to it today, but I am going to add it some other time later. So, thank you for watching my video. Comment down below if this recipe works for you, and maybe you can recommend some recipes to me. I'll try them out. So yeah. Oh, and I got bangs. I'm so happy with them because they're so cute. So thank you. Thank you again for watching my video. Bye. See you next time.